Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group text boxes here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions, then you're good to go. Grouping text boxes in Canva is useful when you want to move, resize, or modify multiple text elements at once. For you to be able to do that, I want you to click on the templates if you wanted to start something already, or if you wanted to start from scratch, click the create a design. In my case, I'm working with this specific design, and I wanted to group a lot of text here. Now, click on the text box on the left side panel, right here. I'm gonna add something. Say this one right here, right? And I'm going to make it different. Click on the effects right here. Change this to something like this one. Now I'm going to add another text here. For example, this. I'm going to change it to, let's say, 100. Add the text here. And another text. I'm going to use the app. All right. Click on add to design. So I have all of these. Now, for me to be able to group all of them, all of the text box here, all I have to do is press Shift on your computer, and then click on the next text box and the next text box. After that, there's going to be a pop-up small window that says Group. What will happen is you would be able to group them all together so you can move them, resize, or modify multiple text elements at once. All right? Now, after that, all you're going to do is, if you wanted to copy this to another page, click on paste. All right, so if you want to copy that again, you can do multiple things at once here, and this process can be used to group other elements designed here in Canva, such as shapes, images, or icons along with the text. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.